The Carpenters are extremely important in moving this project forward. Without their help, we probably would have had to demo this building. So without their help, we wouldn't be here today.
I really take great pride in this work, and it does make me feel good that we're continuing the effort of a carpenter from almost 100 years ago.
In Florissant, Missouri, volunteers for the Mid-America Carpenters Regional Council are working together to save a piece of the city's rich history.
The Reeb House, built in 1870 by Anton Reeb. Anton Reeb was a carpenter. He actually built 4 houses on this plot of land. The house is significant to the historic district because he was a contributing citizen to the city of Florissant in the 1800s.
Carpenters are involved in their own communities, so this community is familiar to me. I can get involved in something that matters in my town.
And any way that we can preserve these homes means so much to our future. We have such a rich history here in the city of Florissant.
And in 2023, some of that history was almost lost when the Reeb House caught fire.
The house sustained significant damage from a fire that started on the back porch, went into the kitchen of the house, and then up to the rafters of the roof and to a second-story wall.
The inside of the house was completely smoke damaged, and then for the firefighters to put out the fire, there was a lot of damage from that.
It was a lost cause, but that's what it appeared.
So it would have probably just been demolished. That would have been sad because this house was built in the 1870s.
The previous owner loved the house. He wanted to restore it, but he was going to have the house demolished because even with his insurance payment, could not afford to rebuild the house.
Historic Florissant has been trying to save the old Florissant properties, and folks that have lived in this town would hate to see one of those properties lost. So I think stepping in and helping to save this property means more than just something to one organization or one person.
Our mission is to preserve, protect, and restore historic properties. So we were able to purchase the house from him for $1.
We had contractors come out here and look at this. We were told several $100,000 just to restore this home. And so the question was whether or not, where we were going to get those funds at? How were we going to pay for that? And so it really did look like we may have to demo the building.
Spearheaded by the Missouri Women in Trades Organization, the Sisterhood answered the call for help.
And I contacted Abby and went to a meeting with all of the sisters and explained to them what was happening with the house and asked for their help.
My first impression was, ooh, big job. It was really sad to see the amount of damage that was done to it.
We were finding all these hand-cut steel nails everywhere in the project. There's a lot of this house that's the original house that was built by Antoine Reeb.
You can't just go to the lumber yard and get some of the things that we needed to get. For instance, this decking, because they did things a little bit differently 100 years ago.
Those unique challenges have brought opportunities to train apprentices and recruit new members from the community.
It's been many opportunities to bring apprentices out, to learn something new. You know, even for us journeywomen, some of this stuff we've never done before.
We need to recruit more people. The carpenters need more people to replace the people who are retiring. And it's really important that the community can see women being successful and thriving in these wonderful union jobs.
This project is great as a recruitment tool for the carpenters.
We have a lot of jobs that are available right now. And if we can get the women in the workforce, and especially in the trade workforce, I think it's going to help move the trades forward.
It's so important for women to get involved in the trades because the trades are amazing. Building stuff is so fun. These careers are so great. The work we do is awesome.
Being involved in the trade brings everybody up, brings our wages up, holds a higher standard to the workforce in general in your community.
In the union, we're paid the same. We're taught the same. I've been a carpenter for 23 years and it's been the best thing I ever did.
The carpenters are very welcoming to the women of the trade.
The camaraderie that we have here on this project and every time we get together with the sisters is incredibly amazing. We are just so supportive of each other.
It really is a very galvanizing feeling to be around all these other women doing this. And then you build friendships, like real lifelong friendships through this sort of thing.
And to have another female at work with me is such a rare, beautiful thing. We can talk about things that might happen to women with each other and learn from each other. And you know you're in an environment where you're supported 1,000% by every single person here.
We have really become a family in the year I've been in.
This is an environment that women can thrive in.
You can do it. It's an awesome opportunity where you earn while you learn. You don't have to spend money on college. You can raise your kids on good health insurance, so yes, come on down.
Though a near tragic loss, the Reeb House has provided an opportunity to grow women members of the Carpenters Union and bring the community together.
I want to give back because it's my hometown. It's a lot because a lot of young women will look up to me and say, she can do it.
I want to give back because it stays here for a long time. My kids will be able to see it, their kids will be able to see it.
To be able to say I worked on a 150-year-old house it is incredible.
And especially carpenter to carpenter, I really feel honored to be here working on this beautiful house. It's very special.
We are so incredibly grateful to the Mid-America Sisterhood of Carpentry. We could never, ever have done this project without them. It means everything to me that they were able to volunteer. I'm not even sure that we would be able to properly restore the house without their guidance and expertise.
We're saving the history of Florissant.